Are we aware that lately we have been faced with unexpected bad weather and the temperature around is getting hot? So, what is the cause of all of that? Yep, the cause of all of that is due to global warming. The cause of global warming. This increase in temperature is caused by the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect arises due to increased pollution such as carbon dioxide and methane. The increase in pollution due to carbon dioxide and methane is mostly caused by human activities. Quoting from Encyclopedia Britannica, global warming in the second half of the 20th century was caused by human activities. The use of fossil fuels, burning garbage, and burning forests caused pollution level to increase. In fact, 2019 was the second warmest year after 2016. The average land and ocean temperature in 2019 was 0.95 degrees Celsius above the 20. The impact of global warming include unstable climate change due to hot air. The cycle of change in the wind also change, so there is rainfall pattern change and so unpredictable. Groundwater will evaporate faster, so that in some areas it becomes dry and lake water shortage. But in some other area, rainfall will increase and storm will be frequent. This changing rainfall pattern has an effect on farmer yields, which are reduced dirtier. Dirty air causes the growth and development of bacteria or virus to accelerate, so that it will cause various diseases. Unstable climate change causes an increase in rainfall in the desert area. Sea level is rising. Global warming causes the ice at the North Pole to melt little by little. If the sea level rises higher, the lower area or country will sink. The occurrence of tidal flooding due to rising sea level. Decreased water supply. Groundwater supply are also depleting due to global warming. Decreased rainfall will cause groundwater quality to decrease as well. Depletion of water supply. There is drought. Many forests are being cut down for agriculture and housing, resulting in declining water supply. There was flood. Change in weather can cause rainfall in some countries to be higher, so that it can cause flooding. Melting of ice at the North and South Pole. From the result of study, the increase in temperature at the two poles has been 3 times. Several countries such as Netherlands, Singapore, and other Europe countries are currently building or expanding their territory by constructing dams and sand on the beach, so that they are not affected by global warming, namely rising sea level. The smoke increase. The smoke is at risk of a heatwave. Currently, there are a lot of motorized vehicles, but the amount of forest is decreasing year by year, so that the amount of carbon monoxide gas and smoke is also increasing. Smoke is also at risk of causing respiratory tract disorder. The number of fauna in the forest is decreasing. The effect of global warming causes the number of animals to decrease because they cannot survive the weather, and plants as food are also decreasing. As a result, some animals that are not able to adapt will become extinct. The extinction of species of organisms will reduce biodiversity. If many organisms become extinct, the ecosystem become unstable. The solution of global warming, I think, is number one is use public transportation and bike. The first way to overcome global warming is to limit the use of cars and motorbike only for long distance. For short distance, you can start the habit of walking or using a bicycle. This will limit the increase in carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide in the atmosphere. Meanwhile, to go to longer distance, if possible, use mass public transportation such as busway and trains. Riding a private bicycle together, alternatively with friends or relatives who happen to be in the same direction or agree, can be option for edu friends. Number 2 is minimize the use of equipment containing CFC. An easy way to overcome global warming is CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, which are compounds containing carbon atom with chlorine and fluorine bound to them. CFC are generally produced by air conditioning equipment. Please note that currently CFC contribute 20% in the process of the greenhouse effect. Therefore, in dealing with hot room temperature, we can design a building that has a lot of air ventilation, so that there is no need to use air conditioning or air conditioning. However, if the use of air conditioning is necessary, make sure we use non-CFC air conditioner that are environmentally friendly. Likewise with the refrigerator, we should use a non-CFC refrigerator to avoid the greenhouse effect, and so that the global warming does not get worse and harm humans. Number 3 is turn off electronic device when not in use. The third way to overcome global warming is to turn off light, fans, air conditioner, computer, TV, and all electronic device when not in use. Using LED light is a smart way to increase energy efficiency. Moreover, the price of LED light is now affordable. Just one that has light sensor so that it can turn off automatically. Some type of electronic device such as TV and computer have a standby feature. For your information, Gramet standby mode still consume up to 40% of its energy within 20 hours. Therefore, when the device is not in use, it is important to turn off the device instead of selecting standby mode. In addition, dry cloth instead of using a dryer to avoid wasting fossil fuels for electricity consume. Use insulation on the roof to prevent heat dissipation in winter. You can also choose to adopt renewable energy source for your need, such as solar water heater. Number 4, save water. The fourth way to overcome global warming is to save water use. Do not wash dishes with running water continuously. Do not brush your teeth also with a running water first, because a lot of water will be wasted in 1 minute. Waste about 10 liter. Take shower using deeper that is measured and necessary, rather than using shower first with running water or soaking in a bathtub. Similarly, to wash the car, just a bucket and deeper instead of using hose with running water. Use cold water in the washing machine instead of hot water. Flush the toilet as necessary. Make sure the float or rather on the water storage tank is working properly, as well as the faucet and monoblock in the toilet. Prevent leakage so as not to waste water. Wash clothes in cold water instead of hot water. Use the water from the last laundry to water the plant. Collect rainwater and use it to water plant, clean floor, and so on. Number 5 is reuse. The fifth way to overcome global warming is to ceramic or glass coffee cups instead of disposable cups like this made of plastic and styrofoam. Reuse plastic bag and other storage container other than that. Use letter paper and envelope. Use calendar for doodles and or daily notes. Reuse HVS paper that just been used one face to two face or back and forth. Use cloth napkins. Reusable handkerchief instead of tissue paper and other disposable cleaning paper. Use reusable plates, drinking bottle, and cutlery that are not disposable. Use reusable container for storing food instead of aluminum foil and other plastic material. Reuse cardboard packaging for shipping goods. Reuse old newspaper to wrap and pack things. Go to the store with a canvas bag instead of paper bag and plastic bag. Save the wire hanger and return or reuse them when going to the laundry. Painting reusable brushes and roller instead of spray paints which emit harmful emission. Number 6 is reduce. The sixth way to overcome global warming is to save on the use of paper and tissue because they are made of wood and that must be cut from trees in the forest. While forests are need to neutralize CO2 emission in the air. Maintain, care for and repair the things we have and use instead of buying new ones frequently. Buy and use rechargeable battery for frequently used devices. Prioritize buying products that are labeled environmentally friendly. Buy and eat organic vegetable, definitely more healthy and environmentally friendly. Buy local made product to reduce emission from transportation. Buy product that can be recycled or made from recycled material. Avoid buying food product packaged in plastic or styrofoam container because they cannot be recycled. Avoid or reduce the use of eating or drinking utensils such as spoon or forks and drinking straw made of plastic. Avoid fast food because this type of food is the largest producer of waste in the world, but it is also not good for health. Reduce the of reduce the use of chemical when cleaning all corner on the house. Do not buy product made from rare animal. I think that's all from me. My name is Ahmad Rafli Dwi Putra Mendra and see you. Goodbye.